This is a quick video. I have this KSG shotgun. It's been malfunctioning. I've determined that the cause of the malfunction is this. You can't see, but this has got appropriate spring tension. This one's very weak. And as you feed shells into there, it won't eject them back. It won't feed them into the gun. And sometimes this will totally collapse in here and just fall down in the tube somewhere. And then you'll hear the spring make a sound. It'll kind of come up, but there's still no tension there. So I'm going to take this apart and see why that's happening. This isn't a video on the disassembly of the KSG, but I have to take it apart to get to that. So bear with me while I do that. And I'm a cheap guy. I have no specialty tools. I guess you can buy different things to do this, but I just do what works, especially if it's something I'm not going to be doing over and over. And some people will use a coin to do this. I think we got them. Okay. Okay, so here you can see, and that's just really weak. Really weak, so let's see what's going on in there. This is a weird shape. There's a tool you can buy for that, but this washer right here, you just put a lot of, make sure you got the right one, so it's that one that's weak. So let's see what we got going on in here. Push down hard. Ugh. Once you break it loose, it just twists off of there. You see the shape of that and how that washer just fit right into there, but you got to keep downward pressure so you don't strip anything. And there should be a lot of spring tension here, but it's so loose that I bet there's not much. Alright, well, what do we have here? This is a second, it looks like it's been cut and then put back in there. I don't know why Kel Tec, whoever works there, did this. I think what's happening is it compresses. This will kind of grab on some of these and hold them in place, and then it'll pop loose and send them forward again. But this is not supposed to be two pieces like that. So I don't know if that broke. Looks to me like it was cut and then just stuck in here. Let's see what the other one looks like, just in comparison. I'll see a lot more tension on it. And you can see it's supposed to be this long, so this spring was either cut and stuffed in there, or more likely it broke somehow, snapped in half, which seems crazy to me. It actually looks like a cut the way that looks. And so that's the problem. So now I'm dealing with ordering a new spring from Kel Tec. They're $16, and I don't know what shipping is going to be. That's kind of annoying. Anyway, there's the follower. I might just replace the follower with an aluminum one while I'm at it. Alright, so that's my problem.